Hello my dear student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am going to start new chapter 4 of class 11th. This is the new chapter. I covered previous 3 chapters. You have to watch my previous videos for that chapter. So let's start the today's chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. This is the name of the chapter, Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. So let's start today's topic with me. My name is Surbhi. First you have to subscribe Krishna classes and hit the like button. So let's start today's topic with me. What is chemical bond? Chemical bond. The attractive force. What? The attractive force. The attractive force which holds various constituents like atoms, ions, etc. together in different chemical species is called chemical bond. I repeat again, what is chemical bond? The attractive force which holds various constituents, atoms, ions, etc. together in different chemical species is called chemical bond, like bonding in NaCl, Na plus Cl minus. These are the ions and form chemical bond. H2, Cl2, HH atom by sharing of electron form chemical bond. Cl atom by sharing of electron form chemical bond. Okay, so this is the example. The attractive force which hold. The attractive force which hold like sodium and chlorine, that is called chemical bond. The attractive force which hold hydrogen, that is called chemical bond. Okay, here attractive force occur by sharing of electron, and here attractive force occur by transfer of electron. Okay, now come on next point. You have to erase this. Now come on next point. Kozel-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. Two scientists came in field of chemical bonding. Their name is Kozel and Lewis. What is their approach? We'll see in under this topic. In 1960, they succeed independently in giving a satisfactory explanation. It means many scientists came in this field means chemical bonding field, but they didn't give any satisfactory explanation. When in 1916 Kozel-Lewis came, they gave a satisfactory explanation. Okay, now come on next point. Lewis postulated that atoms achieve the stable octet when they are linked by chemical bond. Lewis said when atoms are linked by chemical bond, they achieve stable octet. It means in their outermost shell, how many electron present? 8 electron. That's why they achieve the stable octet. In case of sodium and chlorine, let's see, transfer of electron takes place. I told you here already, in case of sodium and chlorine, sodium transfer 1 electron and chlorine gain 1 electron. So in case of sodium and chlorine, transfer of electron takes place. In case of chlorine, hydrogen and fluorine, sharing of electron takes place to attain a stable outer octet of electron. Why this happened? Because to attain a stable outer octet of electron. Okay, In chemical bonding, only outer shell electron takes part. Here, next point is Lewis symbol. Lewis give the idea about the dot structure. Here, lithium dot, beryllium dot, boron dot, carbon dot, nitrogen dot, oxygen dot, fluorine and neon dot. Then what happened here? In formation of a molecule, only the outer shell electron takes part. When any molecule formation occurs, on that time only outer shell electron takes part. They are called valence electron. Outer shell electron are called valence electron, which are takes part in formation of molecule. Okay. Only outer shell electron takes part. Inner shell electron is in their normal position. Okay. This is the Lewis symbol. Now come on, signification of Lewis symbol. What is the signification of this symbol? Number of dots. It means here 1 dot, beryllium 2 dot, boron 3 dot, like that. Number of dot represent valence electron. Dot represent what? Valence electron. Meaning of valence electron means outer shell electron. It means here 1 outer shell electron, here 2 outer shell, here 3, like that. Number of dot represent valence electron. They help to calculate the, valence electron takes part in bonding. Okay. Number of dot represent valence electron. They help to calculate the common or group valence of electron. Okay. This dot help to calculate the group valence of electron. Here lithium, how many electron takes part in bonding? 1 electron. In beryllium 2 electron. In boron 3 electron. In carbon, how many electron take part in bonding? 4 electron. In nitrogen 5. In oxygen 6. In fluorine 7. In neon nothing. Here already octet completed, 8 electron here. Okay. They are generally either to equal the number of dots or 8 minus to the number of dots are valence electron. What happened here? I repeat again. Number of dot represent valence electron. It means number of dot here 1, 2. I told you they represent valence electron. It means number of dots are valence electron that takes part in chemical reaction. They help to calculate the common or group valence electron. These dots help to calculate the common or group valence of electron. They are generally either equal to the number of dots. They are means group valence of electron are generally equal to the number of dots. It means group valence of electron. Any group valence of electron are either equal to the number of dots or 8 minus the number of dots. Okay. Of valence electron. So this is the signification of Lewis symbol. This is the today's topic. I repeat again my class. What is the today's topic? Today's I discuss about the chapter 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure. What is the chemical bond? The attractive force which hold various constituents like atom, ions, etc. together in different chemical species are called chemical bond. Kozel-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. What is the Kozel-Lewis? In 1916, they succeed independently in giving a satisfactory explanation. It means many scientists came but they didn't give satisfactory explanation. When Kozel and Lewis came, then they gave satisfactory explanation. In case of sodium chloride, you can see sodium chloride are separately sodium and chloride. Transfer of electron takes place. In case of chlorine, hydrogen and fluorine, sharing of electron takes place. Why chemical bonding form? By stability, by completing the octet, they form chemical bonding. Okay. Lewis symbol. What is the Lewis symbol? Lithium, beryllium, boron. Dot represent the Lewis symbol. In the formation of molecule, outer shell electron takes place, inner inner is at their fixed position mostly, and this dot represent the valence electron that is take part in the formation of molecule. Significance: number of dot represent valence electron. They help to identify group valence of electron. Group valence of electron either equal to the number of dot or 8 minus the number of dot of valence electron. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. So thank you so much for watching. In the series of your classes, first you have to subscribe Krishna classes for continuous classes and topics chapter wise. So thank you so much for watching. What is today's class? Please comment in comment box. And how is the class? Also you have to comment in comment box. Thank you so much for watching.